Hey everybody, it's Nick from Hawk Pro Detailing. I'm not speaking too loudly, I'm in a customer's house, not trying to be obnoxious here. But I want to show you these headliner spots. Can you see these? I have no idea what these are. A lot of times in detailing, you don't know what the stains are. I want to tell you my new favorite product for headliners. It's from a company called Excellent Supply. They've got really an excellent encapsulation formula called Releasit DS2, and between that and this, you can get about 90% of your cars and their stains gone. But for hot water extraction, I still recommend BioBreak with Flex Ice in your extractor. So BioBreak is a pre-spray, then Flex Ice is an extractor. That's your best bet for most carpets if you want a deep clean. But if you're doing maintenance clients, I highly recommend Encapsulation Cleaning, which is what this is all about. Encapsulation carpet cleaning technology. Contains crystal on 3 encapsulation polymer, soil leaves, floral protector, and tea tree extract. So the idea with encapsulation is it coats the fibers, you don't have to rinse it. I don't like to overthink it, especially with headliners. So with headliners, I apologize there. With headliners, I like to spray onto the towel. And it has kind of a scent to it. And then I like to basically just dab it into the headliner, because you really just want dwell time. I know as detailers, all we want to do is like scrub stuff, right? But look at that. You see that stain? When that dries up, that's gonna be gone. So that's my first initial way that I attack headliners. Spray on here, oops. Again, you don't have to rinse this stuff. The technology is such that it just works amazing on headliners. And I'll just soak this here. You know, if soaking doesn't work, then I may end up scrubbing, but just kind of soak it in. You see how that stain just like disappeared? It's gonna be hard for you to see. But that's always my first instinct, is get some dwell time, because in the directions for Encap-Spot it says spot removers normally require rinsing following spot removal treatment. If they're not rinsed, the residue will immediately begin to attract soil. With Crystal On 3 encapsulation technology, it does not need to be rinsed. With Encap-Spot, the encapsulated spot residue can be extracted from the carpet with subsequent vacuuming. That's the idea with encapsulation technology. So here's Encap-Spot, what they say. It's formulated with a powerful detergent and solvent blend that can be used on a wide variety of spots, including water-based stains, petroleum-based stains, and a variety of colored spots. And with headliners, variety is all that I see. You have no idea most of the time. Contains soil leaves floral protector that imparts soil repellency that continues to work after the spot has been cleaned. Also, Encap-Spot can also counteract many odors. It's formulated with a strong blend of Australian tea tree oil that can help neutralize odorous carpet stains. You guys, I'm going to link this below. It's not an Amazon link. I'm not making any money off of it. Buy some DS2 from Excellent Supply and some of this Encap-Spot, and I guarantee you will thank me. They have a really good deal for first-time customers. I think you get free shipping or a certain discount off your DS2. And I talked to Rick the other day, who's the owner, and he's awesome. And I said, what would you recommend, you know, for 90 to 95% of carpet cleaning and headliner cleaning in cars? And he said, just Releasit DS2, which is their Encap product, and I love it. And I'll do a separate video about that one day. But, God, this is amazing. This is a fantastic, fantastic product. What a goofy angle, right? Alright, just gonna spot treat this guy. And here's the bottom line with headliners. You don't want to put a lot of steam up there. You don't want to delaminate the backing or whatever the saying is. You just don't want to mess with these if you don't have to. So, you know, non-rinsing, powerful, one-step products are amazing, and I'm telling you guys, you'll thank me later. So as I finish up the detail, up there looks pretty good. And then the spot that really matters, how about right there? All into there. I mean, it may not be perfect. Obviously, hot water extraction is the best way to clean things. But to the naked eye, to the person who's like, I just want a clean car, nothing distracting on my headliner, those headliner spots are totally gone. I still have to wipe down that mirror and that center console, but again, focusing on the headliner, gosh, that looks good. My final thoughts for you crazy enough people to watch the video, YouTubers, this stuff is like what you need, your general spotter. Get some and thank me later.